Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know you can see by that big green and white box, we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. Today, it's going to be the Chehalem, which I think is really, really cool because it's named after something in my old home state of Oregon. Now, like every other thing from CRKT we get on the channel, they always include some cool little propaganda. Seriously? It seems like everyone I'm pulling recently has the Chehalem machete on there. So, yeah. But they want you to take a look at that, possibly go buy it. Alright, now that that is done, here it is, in all of its little glory. The Chehalem. I think it's a great starter option. You know, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. It doesn't weigh a lot. It's got a neat little fit and finish to it. And it's really going to help you get used to carrying a blade on the daily. So that's another reason why I really wanted to bring this to the channel. Alright, let's get into the stats and all the fun stuff like we usually do. This is an Eric, oh god, I'm going to say his name wrong, probably Oaks design. Now, it's got an overall length of about 6.375 with a blade of 2.75. Enclosed, it's about 3.75. It comes in with an okay weight of about 3.80 ounces. Now, it is done on the blade with a clip point style. It's got a hollow grind with a plain edge, and I love that satiny finish. Next to stonewash, seriously, satin is my favorite ever on a blade. Now, the blade is 8CR13 MOV. Great budget steel. It's gonna take an edge. It's gonna last you a little while, and you're gonna get used to sharpening it. And that's, to me, that's kind of the fun of having a blade, is getting used to it on a stone and hearing that sound that it makes when you're pulling it across. It gives you that, in my opinion, a neat little connection with the blade. Now, it has a stainless steel frame with this seriously hammered look to it. That hammered finish thing, I just think it really gave it a different appeal instead of just a big hunk of steel. You know, it's just something kind of neat, you know? We do have a frame lock. You can only open it with the thumb hole here. And honestly, I've had a little bit of problem sometimes getting her going, but it's still in that brand new break-in period. And yeah, sometimes you just got to make sure it locks in there. Only one way to carry it, and that's right-hand carry, tip up. We do have the lanyard hole, and it is made in China. Okay, now we're going to do some of the cut tests that I love to do so much here on the channel. We usually just do 3 of them, and if you're curious why I do those 3, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. And of course, I just see something on the lens, so woohoo! Alright, first one up. Heavy-duty stock paper. And that's what I like. I don't really see any weird stuff. A little bit of snow, but that's okay. Of course, I start praising the blade, and yeah. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, let's go for that curly Q. Started to get it. Now, one of the big reasons I like to try to get those curly cues is anybody can just take a blade, rip it across the paper, and go sharp. But if you keep your angle true and you go slowly right across, that paper should... What the heck? I know you guys can hear that. I hate these apartments at times. That paper should start to curl back in on itself just like it did there. Yeah, I'm not really seeing a lot of snow on the blade, so that's kind of cool. Alright, Paracord. Yeah, we are coming to the end of that line of that spool, so I don't know, hopefully this one's going to go through without that much of a problem. Pull test. Okay. And let's go for a slice. Not bad. Not bad cuts either. They really don't look that raggedy except for really that one. But still. Alright. And it seems to be the hero of the channel. Everybody loves him. Women want to be with him. Guys would like to be like him. Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, right through. And as we usually do, let's check that blade. Not really seeing anything, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on 5/21/21. And currently I'm shooting the video on 5/26/21. I checked on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $28.95. CRKT, it's $44.99. And on Amazon, Amazon, there we go, it is Prime eligible at 32.05. Now, it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating on Blade HQ, and it's only had 3 reviews. No reviews on CRKT, and it's been reviewed 14 times on Amazon for a 4.2 out of 5 star rating. Now we're at the fun part of the video that I love the most. Seriously, I really, really do. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below in the comments section. Do you think this one's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I think it's a great choice if you're just starting out or want to give somebody a pretty cool gift they might like, say, on Father's Day. You know, just saying. But still. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I'm very, very grateful for the time that you're giving me today. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a pretty good constructive comment right down below, and we'll see what we can do to implement that into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there in that corner. I know I'm asking a lot, but all of this is free. Okay? Seriously, it is. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in a moment or two. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, one-click easy access. After you've knocked that out the way, if you so choose, please destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the CRKT Chehalem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.